Hey Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 42, and we're diving into Exploratory Data Analysis, or EDA. We'll be summarizing data with descriptive statistics, creating meaningful visualizations, and identifying patterns and insights. Let's get started. Descriptive statistics help us understand the basic characteristics of our data. Let's use Pandas to get some insights into a dataset. Here's how to summarize data with descriptive statistics. Let's run the script to see the output. Visualizations help us understand data better. Let's create some plots to visualize our dataset. Here's how to create a bar chart and a scatter plot using Matplotlib. Let's run the script to see the output plots. Finally, let's identify patterns and insights in our data. We'll use correlation to see the relationship between age and salary. Here's how to calculate and visualize the correlation between age and salary. Let's run the script to see the output. And that's a wrap for day 42 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we explored data with descriptive statistics, created meaningful visualizations, and identified patterns and insights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 43. Keep coding and happy learning.